pray our obeisance and respects to ISKCON founder Acharya Srila Prabhupada, because of whom this knowledge, which is timeless in itself. वैसे तो ये सालों साल से सनातन टाइम से endless time से available है भगवद गीता, बट हमारे लिए रेलेवेंट वे में प्रेजेंट किया एंड एप्लीकेबल बनाया, हमारे लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म दिया where we can all come together, even in the 21st century, even in cities like Gurgaon, even after times like going to work, taking care of the house, etc. Come together and actually understand it structurally and really apply it in our lives. ये platform हमें in this modern age was given to us by Srila Prabhupada. So we thank him for this and for his contributions and all his efforts for our sake. We do this by saying his pranam mantra. Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Preshthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swamiti Namne Namaste Saraswate Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shubhavadi Paschatya Deshata. Guru Maharaj ki jai, Srila Prabhupada ki jai. So in this journey of the Gita, where were we? Which chapter? Which chapter? Someone said 13? Third chapter? Good. Third chapter. And which shloka? 8th shloka. We've done 8 shlokas of the third chapter. Third chapter is called Karma Yoga. So let's do a little small recap. When I say small, I mean small. Short. Let's see how short this can be. तो last class में हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा था? If someone has any recollection from last session, तो एक एक करके we can talk about it and we can discuss. क्या बात करी थी हमने last session में? Any idea? Was a recap. Yeah, it was a recap. But what did we talk about? So that we can take it forward from there. अब तक क्या हुआ है भगवद गीता में?
After the second chapter,
Yeah.
Arjun concluded that it's moving to the time. I mean,
Yeah.
the conclusion is to go leave the war
Yeah.
and meditate.
Yeah.
But then so he comes back to Krishna and asks again that I didn't understand it.
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Mansi, for that. So first chapter was problem definition. What was it? हमने ये बात करी कि जो गीता है ये लाइफ को जीने के लिए अच्छे से लाइफ का पर्पस समझने के लिए टू अंडरस्टैंड आवर आइडेंटिटी, इट्स द लाइफ का मैनुअल समझने के लिए, लाइक सॉल्यूशन ढूंढने के लिए फर्स्ट यू नीड टू नो द प्रॉब्लम. सो फर्स्ट चैप्टर इज प्रॉब्लम डेफिनेशन. वी गेट टू नो ऑल दी धृतराष्ट्र कौन, दुर्योधन कौन, कौरव कौन, पांडव कौन, महाभारत का वॉर क्यों हो रहा है, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा. द होल सेटिंग हैपेंस एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट चैप्टर Arjun gives his doubts. Arjun says, I don't want to fight this war. What does Arjun say? I don't want to fight this war. Why? Why doesn't he want to? Is he a warrior? Is he a good warrior?
Yes.
He's a very good warrior. Is he scared?
No.
Not scared. That's not why he doesn't want to fight the war. Why doesn't he want to fight the war? Yeah. Yeah, he doesn't want to kill his family members.
Feeling
compassionate for them. That at least in that moment, he's like, ये मेरे लोग हैं, इनको कैसे मारूं मैं? मुझे नहीं चाहिए ये राज्य, नहीं चाहिए. I want to go, ये वो, all that he says. In fact, he gives a lot of shastric backing. In the first chapter, he has a lot of shastric backing. He's very intelligent. He's a very well-educated person. He's not a fool. He's been educated in Shastra also and Shastra also. You know what Shastra is? What is Shastra? Weapons. That's his living, right? He is a Kshatriya. Shastra Vidya उसको पता होनी चाहिए. शास्त्र विद्या भी बताएगी, because हमने ये 2 क्लास पहले बात करी थी about holistic education. You remember?
Yeah.
Where back then, before Kalyug, जो अभी कलयुग चल रहा है, उससे पहले के युगों में क्या होता था? Education meant कि you'll be taught skills by which you can run your life, earn a living. But also, once you've earned a living, what do you actually live in that life? What do you do with that life? That was also taught to you. Those life skills were also taught to you. What is the purpose of life, etc., etc. Who are you in reality? Spiritual education. in other words. Is that okay to understand? तो आपको मटेरियल एजुकेशन भी दी जाती थी और साथ में holistic education दी जाती थी. Right now you've lost the spirit वाला part. Is that okay to understand? We're all running after how to earn a living and that's it. That's all. वहीं पे रुके हुए हैं हम कि how to earn a living, how to earn a better living, how to earn an even better living. That's all. उसके आगे हमको नहीं पता because हम भूल चुके हैं वो. We've lost that education. So here Arjun is using that same education to defy what? To defy his own duty. कि ये reasons के वजह से I do not want to fight the war. ठीक है? That's problem definition. In chapter 2, Krishna talks about the solutions. But he talks about it very quickly and total. अगर आप second chapter का heading पढ़ोगे तो उसमें क्या लिखा है? Contents of the Gita summarized. तो पूरी summary दे दी है भगवान ने. All solutions he gave it, all right? In chapter 2 and in chapter 3, as Nityanand Maji there, she told us that chapter 3 के starting में Arjun says that all of this is fine, but you told me spiritual होना चाहिए, I'm a spirit, ये वो, but I thought you will say हाँ इस दुनिया से कोई लेना देना नहीं, मोह माया है, छोड़ दो इसको, चलते जंगल. That's what he was expecting. But what did he get instead at the end? Krishna, what did he get?
Fight.
He said, armed with this knowledge, he's like, उन्होंने बोला कि तुम अपना ये ignorance छोड़ो, जो भी मैंने ज्ञान दिया है उस ज्ञान को शस्त्र बनाकर, एक्चुअली उसको शस्त्र बनाकर खड़े हो और क्या करो? लड़ाई करो. Fight the war in the right consciousness. That is what he's talking about. Is everyone with me?
Yes.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
You are with me?
Yes.
ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे उसने सोचा कि ये क्या बोल दिया? मुझे तो लगा ज्ञान के साथ वैराग्य आएगा कि I'll get knowledge and with that knowledge I'll be told कि ये जो छोटी मोटी चीजें इनके ऊपर लड़ना नहीं होता, छोड़ के आगे बढ़ना होता है. That's what he thought. But no, he's like, get up and fight. This is your duty to do. And because he asked this question, second verse में हम देखते हैं कि Arjun basically tells Krishna that I didn't understand. I'm sure you're right. I'm sure what you're saying is right. I did not understand it. Whatever you said, उससे मैं bewilder हो चुका हूँ. मेरा दिमाग क्या हो चुका है? खराब हो चुका है. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. Can you please tell me again? A good teacher is what? A good teacher, अगर क्लास में उन्होंने कुछ समझाया and someone asked the student says मुझे समझ नहीं आया, sir, ma'am, whatever. तो what does a good teacher do? Explain again. Same चीज नहीं बोलेंगे, उसका कुछ और वेरिएशन ट्राई करके देखेंगे कि इस पर्सन के लिए how do I explain for this particular? For that you have to have a relationship, no? If I don't know you, मुझे पता नहीं आप कौन सी लैंग्वेज बोलती हो. I don't know what language you speak. I explain the whole thing to you again in some language, but I don't know which language. What if you don't speak that language? Or what if it's not your strong language? आपको समझ आएगा? Second बार भी नहीं आएगा. So you need to know the mentality of the other person. कि इसको कौन से भाषा में समझ में आएगा, किस वे में बोलूँगा, कौन से एग्जाम्पल्स दूंगा. अगर मैं कोई डेजर्ट वाले बंदे को ट्रॉपिकल जंगल के एग्जाम्पल दूं, उसको समझ में आएगा? क्यों नहीं आएगा उसको समझ में? नहीं, कॉन्टेक्स्ट अलग है ना. You understand what I'm saying? Is this okay to understand? So you need to have a relationship with the person to really go to them. It is said that when you want someone to come somewhere, अगर आपको किसी को अपने लेवल तक लाना है, तो पहले आपको उसके लेवल तक जाना पड़ेगा, उसका हाथ पकड़ के फिर साथ में लाना पड़ेगा. You can't say इधर आ जा. वो कैसे आएगा खुद? अगर उसने आना होता तो आ जाता, तुमसे हेल्प क्यों मांगता हो? Is this okay to understand? This is exactly what Krishna does in the next 16 chapters. Chapter 3 till chapter 18. Next 16 chapter. So total कितने चैप्टर हैं भगवद गीता में? 18. So chapter 3 से chapter 18 में जो chapter 2 में बोला है summary, उसको पूरा विस्तार से gradually step by step according to Arjun's mentality, proclivity and understanding, he comes down to his level and really picks him up. Gradually from the lowest level till the highest level. That's the reason why the Bhagavad Gita is seen as a manual, because it has everything from the lowest till the highest, and this is where it starts. Summary बताने के बाद this is exactly where it starts, right? And then he starts talking. Third श्लोक में क्या बोला भगवान ने? We'll just go quickly 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then onwards. Third श्लोक, what did he say? What did he start talking about? He basically says very definitively, कहते हैं कि दो टाइप के लोग होते हैं, दो टाइप के people होते हैं who try to understand this life. One is a person who wants to give up everything, and one is the person who wants to do things. Does things and understands, and one is wants to give up everything and understands. He is like, out of these two, I will tell you the person who does things, that is a better person. Because then he says, क्योंकि you can't give up things artificially is what the point that he's trying to make till the 8th verse is आप चीजों को छोड़ना आसान नहीं है. आप छोड़ दो. For example, Arjun doesn't want to fight right now. Arjun doesn't want to fight right now. So what is he saying? What will I do? I'll do nothing. That's what he says. He says, I'll do nothing. मैं फिर बच जाऊंगा. Nothing क्यों? किस चीज से बचना चाहते हैं? Chapter 2 में उन्होंने कर्मों की बात करी. कर्म और कर्मों की फलों की बात करी है. That if you do something, you get a reaction back. So he's like, I don't want any reactions. I want to be free from reactions. So if I want to be free from reactions, what is his conclusion? What is he saying he'll do? Nothing. He's not going to do anything. But last class we discussed that actually doing nothing is also will get you some kind of repercussion. We gave the example of, anybody remembers the example? Yeah, the guard downstairs. The guard is doing his on duty पे है, and घर से कोई टीवी लेके जा रहा है उसी के सामने से, और वो कहता है कि मेरा इस चोरी से कोई लेना देना मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा. तो will he get to keep his job or will he lose his job? He'll lose his job. But he didn't do anything. How come he's getting a repercussion?
Because he didn't do anything.
He was supposed to do something and he did not do something that he was supposed to do. So he'll get a repercussions. That's what Krishna is telling Arjun. It's not about you. Listen, in fact, starting में second chapter में ही उन्होंने गाली दे दी थी. In a way, बहुत डांट दिया था स्टार्टिंग में कि तुम ऐसी ऐसी बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर रहे हो, ऐसे शास्त्रों की बातें कर रहे हो, पंडितों जैसी बातें कर रहे हो, ऐसे मूर्ख हो. Fool number 1. That's what he says. He says Klaipya, Anarya. These are the words that he uses for Arjun. He's like, I expect more from you. You're an educated person. Don't speak like this. That's what Krishna tells Arjun in the second chapter starting में. He says that you think you're going to not do anything and you'll be, this war is not about, it's not about you. अब तक जो भी तुमने रीजन दिया वो सब क्या बोला है कि मुझे ये राज्य नहीं चाहिए, जो भी अन्याय इन्होंने मेरे साथ किया है उसका मुझे प्रतिशोध, I don't want a revenge. All of this is about whom? Arjun only, about himself. That means he thinks this whole war, this whole bloodshed that is going to happen, of so many people, so many lives are being touched. All of them are, वो क्या सोच रहे हैं, ये पूरी जो तामझाम है वो किसकी वजह से हो रहा है? Who is it about? Arjun. But is it really about Arjun?
No.
It's not about him, because he is supposed to be the guardian of the society. He is supposed to fight this war, because if he doesn't fight this war, people like Duryodhana, the Kauravas, will reign supreme, and that brings adharma. Because अधार्मिक लोग अगर पावर में आए तो सोसाइटी में क्या बढ़ेगा? अधर्म बढ़ेगा. He, being a Kshatriya, has to stop the spread of adharma. It's not about him at all. It's about the well-being of full society. And that is what Krishna is reminding him. You fight the war, but not thinking that it is about you. You fight the war thinking it is your duty to do this. That is what he's trying to remind him. Okay? He says कि ना करने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Nobody has achieved perfection by not doing anything and by leaving things. We spoke about if you leave things, does that really mean that you're detached from it? अगर आपने कोई चीज छोड़ दी, for example, किसको यहाँ पे पिज्जा पसंद है? My favorite example to take. Pizza, you like pizza? Now someone says, आपने decide किया एक दिन कि मैं पिज्जा को क्या कर दूंगा? त्याग दूंगा. त्याग दिया मैंने आज. क्या कर दिया मैंने? पिज्जा त्याग दिया. मैं पिज्जा से दूर रहने लगा ऐसे, मतलब जहां जहां पिज्जा दिखा मैं लाइक आई स्टार्टेड डूइंग दिस। दिन हो गए, हफ्ते हो गए, साल हो गए, आप पिज्जा से फिजिकली दूर हो गए, पर मेंटली क्या पिज्जा से दूर हुए हो आप? शायद उसके और पास आ गए हो। यस और नो? पहले आप शायद एक हफ्ते में एक बार पिज्जा के बारे में सोचते थे, आप हर पल, एवरी मोमेंट यू आर इन लव, ऑब्सेस्ड विद पिज्जा। रातों की चैन उड़ गई, नींद उड़ गई, सब कुछ उड़ गया just because of one thought. What is it? Pizza. I have to have a pizza. I'm obsessed. I have repressed my desire artificially. Hence, it is not going to help me. बाहर से लोग बोल रहे क्या यार, क्या बंदा है इसने ना पिज्जा त्याग दिया इसने, such a big person. Everybody is clapping and you know like मालाएं डाल रहे हैं, पिज्जा त्यागी, पिज्जा त्यागी, पिज्जा त्यागी, like the renunciate of pizzas, like people are just making a big deal out of it. But he's enjoying that. That person है, हाँ मेरा नाम है. But अंदर से क्या हो रहा है?
Oh no, I want pizza.
I want pizza. Everybody is saying, एक तो नाम में ही पिज्जा त्यागी दे दिया, नाम में ही पिज्जा है. Reminds me of pizza. What to do? And remind me. It's such a pretense. Isn't it a pretense? And that is the shloka that we basically read. We'll be reading that in the 6th shloka हमने पढ़ा. Yeah, 6th श्लोक में ये क्या लिखा है? Can anybody read the 6th shloka translation out loud? हिंदी में पहले पढ़ सकते हैं माता जी, आपके पास हिंदी है? 3rd chapter 6th shloka. Everybody has it?
Yeah.
जो कर्मेंद्रियों को वश में तो करता है, किंतु जिसका मन इंद्रिय विषयों का चिंतन करता रहता है, वह निश्चित रूप से स्वयं को धोखा देता है और मिथ्याचारी कहलाता है।
किसी और को धोखा नहीं दे रहा है। किसको धोखा दे रहा है? पहले तो खुद को धोखा दे रहा है कि मैंने त्याग दिया, I have given it up, I'm such a great person. I am pretending first to myself and then to the whole wide world. You can fool the whole wide world, but actually is it happening something? Is it benefiting you in any way? It's not benefiting you in any way. Why did you leave this? Why did you leave the whatever thing it was in the first place? क्यों छोड़ा था आपने? Why did you leave it? क्यों छोड़ा था? क्योंकि आपको spiritual होना था, whatever. But spiritual आप सिर्फ तन से नहीं होते हो. तन के बाद क्या आता है? अंदर वाला part? मन आता है. उसके बाद spirit आता है. Right? बीच में मन खड़ा है. ना तन से छोड़ दिया, लेकिन मन से नहीं छोड़ा. इनफैक्ट और ज्यादा क्या हो गए हो आप? पास हो गए हो, अटैच हो गए हो. So that means you failed in your activity. इससे अच्छा वो खा ही लेते. इससे अच्छा you are better before than the pretense that you're doing right now. 7th श्लोका, उसका भी एक बार ट्रांसलेशन पढ़ लेते हैं. Anybody? Yes, ma'am.
दूसरी ओर यदि कोई निष्ठावान व्यक्ति अपने मन के द्वारा कर्मेंद्रियों को वश में करने का प्रयत्न करता है और किसी आसक्ति के कर्म योग कृष्ण भावामृत में प्रारंभ करता है, तो वह अति उत्कृष्ट है.
Yeah, he's saying, on the other hand, what is the alternative? What is the alternative? He said, work, but do your duty, and do it how? Detached to him. This is actually going to help you get purified on the path of spirituality. Can you give me an example of how this is actually effective? How work in a dutiful manner, how is that going to be better and really help you purify yourself internally? How is that better? Any ideas? What is duty?
We feel more content.
Content, okay.
Okay, I've achieved something.
Achieved something, yeah. But how are you going to do it? What is the measurement that your first हमने क्या बोला कि you have to do your duty, and secondly हमने बोला that you have to do it in what way? Detached way. तो ये तो इसकी तो हम बाद में बात करेंगे, क्योंकि ये चैप्टर ज्यादा इस पे फोकस करता है, कर्म पे, कर्मयोग. उसके बाद डिटैचमेंट की बात करेंगे. बट ड्यूटी, नाउ he is basically saying कर्म करो फल की चिंता मत करो. बट व्हाट वी फॉरगेट इज दैट व्हाट इज कर्म. कौन से कर्म करने हैं, कौन से कर्म नहीं करने हैं, वो हमें नहीं पता. डिड वी डिस्कस दिस लास्ट कि गेम, पूरा गेम है, उसमें डूज एंड डोंट्स, लॉ बुक है. अगर लॉ बुक नहीं जानेंगे तो 60-40. यू रिमेंबर? You remember all this? Yeah. So we have to, that's where we are continuing the discussion from. I thank God that I am continuing the discussion. I'm not just recapping it. So, duty, what to do and what not to do. How do we decide that? Who decides? Shastras decide. Okay. Who studied the Shastras? We discussed this last time कि हमको किसी ने बताया नहीं है. We are just living अपने हिसाब से कि ये ठीक लग रहा है और ये ठीक नहीं लग रहा है. उसके हिसाब से हम ड्यूटी अपना ही तय कर रहे हैं. It's like saying you've been hired and you've been told खुद का JD बना, खुद के roles and responsibilities बना, खुद के KPIs and KRAs बना, and उसके हिसाब से appraisal भी खुद ही दो. Does this work like this? ये beneficial, ये अगर कोई business ऐसे चलाए तो will it work properly? Prabhu? Yeah? No? He's a finance guy. He'll know. It won't work properly. Why? Because we overestimate our skills and underestimate our faults. Yes or no? Who thinks they're a good driver? Who thinks they're a good driver? All of us, डरो मत, really मत. Who think they're a good driver? All of us, most of us think we are a good driver. And what do we think? जो आगे चला रहा है, जो पीछे चला रहा है, जो बगल में चला रहा है, वो सब क्या है? Bad driver. Bad driver. That's a bad driver. Bad driver. Everybody is thinking that. The same thing. Everybody is thinking. What does this mean? That we are not good. We don't estimate our own capabilities and faults properly. Appropriately हम अपना estimate नहीं कर पाते, right? That's the reason why we can't decide our own duties. We have to get to know this. So now coming back to the duties, what is our duty and what is not our duty? How do we get to know right now, practically speaking for us? अगर हम इस ग्रुप से बाहर जाएंगे, practically speaking क्या है हमारी ड्यूटी करना? What is our duty? Sorry. घर जाना ड्यूटी हमारी क्लास के बाद. नहीं, वो तो है, घर ही जाना, आप सब लेट हो जाएगा. But I'm just telling you that actually ये पिछले चैप्टर की बात है. That's why I think there's in the previous chapter we got to know about 2 dharmas. हमारे कितने धर्म हैं? How many dharmas do we have? 2 dharmas. Why 2 dharmas? One is on the level. हम क्या है? What are we? Soul. We are soul. Is this okay? And what do we have? We have body plus mind or whatever. Body. So right now, because we are a soul, but right now we are in the body, we have 2 duties. One on the level of matter, material duties, और उसको conditional duties भी बोलते हैं. अगर संस्कृत में देखें तो उसको स्वधर्म बोलते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? स्वधर्म. You have to remember this because next time when you come to class, you should remember this. That's how you'll actually be able to apply it in your life. So you can make notes on your phone or something like that. That's how you remember. And one is on the level of spirit. ये duty number 1 है. हमारे कितने duties हैं धर्म में? 2. Duty number 1 is conditional, या उसको क्या बोलते हैं? स्वधर्म. Other is on the level of the spirit. This is called not conditional. This is called constitutional. What is it called? या इसको बोलते हैं नित्य धर्म. This is number 2. Can you repeat what is happening? How many dharmas do we have? 2 dharmas. First one is on the level of the body, which is called material or conditional or. Second is on the level of the soul, because we are a soul in a body, so we have both these duties. It is on the level of the spirit. It is called constitutional or Nitya Dharma. Is this okay? How do you understand this? I'll quickly tell you. For example, if you're a student, what should be your duty? To study. If you are a householder, you're a married person, what should be your duty? Either basically take care of the family, either by going out or being inside and taking care. Is this okay? Yeah? Either. And once you have children, what is your duty? Take care of children. ये बदल रहा है, देख रहे हो आप? अलग-अलग stages of life में ये duty क्या हो रही है? Change हो रही है. Hence it is called conditional. It is called conditional. It changes according to your condition in life. It's condition of your body actually. ये body बदल रही है ना? When you grow up, what is changing? Body is changing. Yes. When you were 5 years old, did you look like this? How did you look? How did you look? Smaller? It's not a trick question. Simple answer. Smaller, no?
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Bigger? No? Benjamin Button? I don't know if you got that reference. I watched this movie long ago. So, हम छोटे थे, फिर हम क्या हुए अभी? बड़े हुए. फिर क्या हो जाएंगे? नहीं, बूढ़े हो जाएंगे. और बड़े नहीं होंगे? बूढ़े हो जाएंगे. ऐसा नहीं चलता जिंदगी. बड़े ही होते रहेंगे. नहीं. हम क्या हो जाएंगे? बूढ़े हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा? मर जाएंगे. मर जाने के बाद क्या होगा? दोबारा आ जाएंगे. फिर क्या? फिर पैदा हो जाएंगे. फिर क्या होंगे? रिपीट हो गए. नहीं, अभी ना. ठीक है? इज दैट ओके? तो ये बॉडी के ये जो स्टेजेस हैं, इन स्टेजेस के हिसाब से ये ड्यूटी क्या होती है? चेंज होती है. And not just in one stage of life. For example, this is the reason why वर्ण आश्रम धर्म बना है. वर्ण आश्रम जिसको बोलते हैं ब्राह्मण, वर्ण और आश्रम. What is it called? वर्ण और आश्रम. V for A for ठीक है. वर्ण कितने होते हैं? 4. और आश्रम कितने होते हैं? 4. वर्ण है ब्राह्मण, क्षत्रिय, वैश्य, शूद्र. These are the 4 varnas. ये societal level पे. कौन से level पे है? I'm going to really fast because all of this was in second chapter. Okay. This is on the societal level. Societal level पे division है. According to your abilities, according to your qualities, not according to your births. According to your qualities and according to your activities. This is made. If you have an activity of a Shudra, that doesn't mean that you have to remain Shudra your whole life. If your activities change, if your qualities change, can quality change of a person?
Yeah.
Can a person change?
Yes.
That freedom is there, no?
Yeah.
Yes, Prabhu.
All employees are Shudra, right?
All are?
All employees are Shudra.
All employees are Shudra. Yeah.
अपने लिए काम
अपने लिए काम कर
कर रहे हैं.
रहे हैं. Yeah. Actually, in Kali Yuga, I'm talking about this just for information. In Kali Yuga, this is all mixed up. We are born here. Here, this is where we are born. What is this? Below Shudra. We are not even Shudra. Because Shudra की qualities, हमने क्या बोला कि इसकी qualities होती हैं. Shudra की qualities क्या होता है? Punctuality and cleanliness. We don't have that yet. So we are not born even as Shudras. Is this okay to understand?
Yeah.
इसकी भी क्वालिटी है भाई. So we are born here. तो हम बेसिक सिस्टम के बाहर पैदा हुए हैं, क्योंकि कोई फॉलो थोड़ी कर रहे हैं हम कुछ, तो बाहर पैदा हुए हैं हम इसके. बट अगर कोई बनना चाहता है ये या ये, अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर क्वालिटीज एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर लाइकिंग्स. सबकी लाइकिंग होती है ना कुछ. अगर आपने सबको इंजीनियरिंग करा दी, देखो क्या हाल हो रहा है. सबने इंजीनियरिंग कर ली, लेकिन किसी को बनना था, किसी को नहीं बनना था. कोई एक्चुअली में बना है और कोई सिर्फ डिग्री लेके बैठा. इज दिस ओके टू अंडरस्टैंड? सो अगर ये सिस्टम खराब कर दिया हमने, दिस इज बिकम एन एक्सप्लॉइटेटिव सिस्टम वेयर एवरीबॉडी थिंक्स ये जो कास्ट सिस्टम है ये बाय बर्थ हो गया. कैसे हो गया? बाय बर्थ। जो ब्राह्मण का बेटा क्या बनता है? ब्राह्मण माना जाता है, काम उसी जैसे भी हो, लेकिन वो क्या माना जाएगा? ब्राह्मण माना जाएगा। क्षत्रिय का बेटा, वैश्य का बेटा, शूद्र का बेटा। बट ऐसा नहीं होता। Nowhere in the Shastra, Krishna very clearly says, he says, I made these four vibhag by guna and karma. He doesn't say janma at all. I made these by qualities. And by qualities किसी को अच्छा लगता है, कोई जैसे अर्जुन है, अर्जुन की क्वालिटी है कि वो लड़ सकता है, फिजिकली स्ट्रांग है, एंड ही कैन अप्लाई हिज माइंड शस्त्र को शास्त्र की दृष्टि से कैसे यूज करना है। दिस इज, ये शस्त्र यूज करने वाले लोग हैं। क्या यूज करने वाले लोग हैं? शस्त्र मीन्स weapons, but they can't use it on anybody and everybody. They can't administer, like administration या राज्य चलाना अपने हिसाब से नहीं कर सकते वो। They have to be counseled by whom? Brahmanas. शास्त्र बताता है कि शस्त्र से शासन कैसे किया जाए। All of them are coming from the word sha, shishya, discipline. That's the root word actually, जिससे ये सारी चीजें आ रही है। शास्त्र हमें बताता है कि शस्त्र का उपयोग करके हमें शासन कैसे करना है। That is a duty of a conditional duty of a kshatriya. Is this okay to understand? Brahman's duty is what? What is Brahman's duty?
To understand the Shastra.
हाँ, first of all understand शास्त्र, वो एबिलिटी होनी चाहिए, नहीं तो ब्राह्मण नहीं है। अंडरस्टैंड शास्त्र, अप्लाई इट इन देयर लाइव्स, मास्टर इट एंड देन प्रोपगेट इट, एंड प्रोपगेट इट फॉर फ्री एज अ ड्यूटी। ये जो राज्य कर रहे हैं, ये आई विल कम टू दिस, आई थिंक दिस इज अ नाइस वे टू सी दैट। इनका ड्यूटी क्या है? To ensure that the whole society is safe, that dharma is protected and everybody gets a chance to practice dharma. That ये किसका responsibility है? क्षत्रिय का। क्या responsibility है क्षत्रिय का? किंग का क्या responsibility है? To keep everybody safe, healthy, happy, everything going properly, because so that they can fulfill the purpose of their life, they can fulfill both duties of their life. ये ensure करना किसकी ड्यूटी है? क्षत्रिय। ये ड्यूटी है, मैं हर एक की ड्यूटी बता रहा हूँ। ब्राह्मण की ड्यूटी क्या है? कंडीशनल ड्यूटी, पहले शास्त्र को जानना, इम्बाइब करना, प्रैक्टिस करना, परफेक्ट करना, एंड देन प्रोपगेट करना इनटू the whole of society. This is okay to understand according to the level. हम 12th grader को 3rd grader को 12th grader की बुक्स नहीं दे सकते हैं। So जिसको जैसे समझानी है शास्त्र, उनके लेवल पे ये ब्राह्मण वितरण करते थे to the whole of society. That's the reason why even shastras are not one. We can ask how many scriptures are there in even just in the Vedic plethora. How many scriptures are there? कितने scriptures हैं? एक है? How many? हिंदुओं का धर्म ग्रंथ क्या बोला जाता है?
Vedas, Shrutis, Smritis.
I have asked you one fundamental question. हिंदुओं का धर्म ग्रंथ कौन सा माना जाता है?
Bhagavad-gita.
Oh, thank God. Thank you, Lord. अभी घोर कलयुग नहीं है। I was like, oh no, I have to talk about this. So when we say Hindu is what has become now, but there's nothing called a Hindu. Hindu is a geographical term. Anybody who lives beyond the Sindh. Sindh river पता है आपको? पंजाब में 5 rivers है, पंजाब, 5 rivers of Punjab. One of them is Sindh. Sindh के पार जो भी रहता था उनको क्या बोलते थे? क्योंकि वो स वर्ड नहीं बोल पाते थे, the Turk people who used to come from enter from there, so they used to call them Hindus. It's a geographical term, it's not a religious term. There's no, in this Shastra there is no term called Hindu. You will not find it even once. Control F करोगे कहीं नहीं मिलेगा। Yeah? तो शास्त्र को जानना और ईच के लेवल के हिसाब से डिफरेंट श्लोक्स फॉर डिफरेंट फोक्स. Yeah, just like that you have to give it to them, so that everybody can progress according to their own pace and according to their own, but progress. Is it okay? ये ब्राह्मणों का ड्यूटी था. एंड वैश्य क्या क्या ड्यूटी है?
Banking and finance.
ट्रेडिंग. दैट कैश फ्लो चलते रहना चाहिए पूरे सिस्टम में. ट्रेडिंग इज देयर. acumen, how to make money, how to trade things, how to keep the goods running in the whole of society. This is ये किसका वैश्य का क्या है? ड्यूटी है. To nourish the whole of society with goods. Goods are needed, no? समाज चाहिए कि नहीं जीने के लिए? Yes or no?
Yes.
Everybody is with me?
Yeah.
Are you awake?
Yes.
Your duty right now is to be what?
Awake.
Awake. Actually. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So वैश्यास पूरे सिस्टम को नरिश करते थे with the running of goods. And what is the duty of Shudras?
Provide service.
To run this whole system, someone needs to be physically able to actually do the groundwork. Yes or no?
Yes.
Otherwise नहीं चलेगा ना पूरा काम. Someone needs to run the errands and everything that needs to be run. Groundsmen चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? To run a system properly, you need groundsmen? Yeah, these are those physically able groundsmen. These are more able to do this. इसको आप शास्त्र पढ़ाओगे ना कि अब तू ब्राह्मण बन जा. What will happen? पूरा system will. This system is very perfect, but it is fragile. It's like a house of cards. आप प्लेइंग कार्ड से घर बनाते हो, कभी देखा आपने?
Yes.
दिखता कैसा है? बहुत अच्छा दिखता है, बहुत अच्छा. मेहनत लगती है बनाने. लेकिन एक झोंका है हवा का, क्या हो जाता है? पूरा खत्म. एक कार्ड भी निकालने क्या हो जाता है? वो गिर जाता है. So just like that, एक को भी इसमें if you take out the balance of even one of them, the whole system will what? Collapse. Hence that has happened right now because everybody, I'll tell you how that collapse happened. Duty. Now इसकी duty क्या है? शास्त्र से related. Can they take money to educate the whole society, to be a counselor for the kings? Can they take money? They were not allowed to take money for it. That's their
Duty.
that was the level of understanding back then कि भैया ड्यूटी है, इसमें पैसा क्या लेना? ड्यूटी मतलब करना है तो करना बस. नॉट कि मुझे करने से क्या मिलेगा. इनकम भी नहीं, इससे क्या मिलेगा? Will I get recognition? Will I get likes? Will I get followers? What will I get out of this? Was never a question at that time. That was the caliber of a society. ड्यूटी है, आपको क्या करना है? इसको करना है. हर एक बंदा है कि अपनी अपनी ड्यूटी करे. यहाँ पे क्या पूरा सिस्टम अच्छे से चलेगा? Will everybody be happy?
Yes.
Without expecting, everybody is getting what they want. Everybody is happy without expecting. But that is where the catch is. If you start expecting, then the whole system is house of cards क्या हो जाएगा? पूरा collapse हो जाएगा. That is why first is duty, second is detach. You have to do your duty, but without any expectations out of it. The Brahman will give वो स्कूल खोल के he will give सारा एजुकेशन देगा. ये नहीं सोचेगा कि कितने बच्चे आए, कौन सा बच्चा आया, who came, who didn't come. I was talking to Rahul Prabhu the other day that today's time when you have to go for admissions, in the form sometimes there are questions like which car does your papa own? I'm not kidding. We were talking about this the other day. What does that have to do with education? Doesn't have anything to do with it. But a Brahmana cannot do that. You understand what I'm saying? Okay. अक्षत्रिय अपनी ड्यूटी करेगा सेफ एंड धर्म, लेकिन ये भी क्या एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकता. He will live in a palace just like a prime minister or any minister are given facilities or not. They don't have to stop at a red light. Do they have to stop at a red light? That facility has been given to them. Why has that facility been given to them? For example, a police commissioner or whatever, they don't have to stop at a red light. Why?
They have to do this.
The work needs it. Like Give them these facilities so that they can do, like ये सब हटा दो, छोटी मोटी चीजें उनके लिए आसान कर दो, तो so that they can get, like for example an IAS officer has a lot of power, has a lot of perks, yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah, but why? So that ये सब, ये मतलब IAS ऑफिसर IAS करने के बाद ये ना सोचे कि मैं कौन से घर में रहूंगा, I don't have to house hunt, I don't have to think about घर में कौन खाना बनाएगा, मेरी मेड आई कि नहीं आई, I don't have to think about all of that. Just sort all of that out so that he or she can actually work on the matter for which they are hired for which they are qualified for. Is this okay to understand? Just like that, a king has been given a lot of perks. For example, a brahmana has to be, हमने बोला ब्राह्मण पैसे नहीं लेगा, तो वो खाना कैसे खाएगा?
Charity.
Yeah, exactly. Kshatriya will tell the Vaishya, Brahmana will tell Kshatriya कि ये पूरा सिस्टम कैसे चलाना है. Kshatriya will tell Vaishya कि आप तूने जो पैसा कमाया है इसको पूरे सोसाइटी में कैसे बांटना है, so that the whole society can be nourished. इतना पैसा ब्राह्मणों को दे, and जितना needed है. You know, it is said that the best person to give a charity to is a brahmana. Why? He doesn't expect it. Expectation ही नहीं है. Two, the day you give a brahmana 1 crore rupees, if you go check with him the next day, how much does he have in his bank balance? How much will he have? Zero again. Not because he सारा वो एक रात में उड़ा दिया उसने, सारा उसने जाके पार्टी कर ली. नहीं, not because of that. Not because of that. Because charity given to a brahmana, he uses it in things which are shastric in nature, temples and things like which basically spiritual education, that's his domain. No, spiritual education को जो आगे बढ़ाने की चीजें वो वहाँ लगा देगा उसी दिन, and वो लगाने से जो benefit होगा किसको होगा?
The entire society.
Entire society. That's the reason why it is said, I'm not talking about right now, but technically speaking, ideally, an actual brahmana, that is the reason why charity was given to a brahmana, because they trusted them कि इनको देंगे तो पूरी society के benefit के लिए जो होगा ये सारा पैसा वहीं पे लगाएगा. Trust ऐसा वाला था. So Kshatriyas tells Vaishya or to nourish the whole system, and Shudras are very happy to serve Vaishyas, Kshatriyas and Brahmanas in whatever way possible. जो उनकी proclivity है, जो उनके ability. आज हम जैसे ही पैदा होते हैं, you know, we ask ourselves, what is my passion? I don't know my passion. I don't know my calling. Some people go full life without knowing their calling को नहीं, पता ही नहीं है. Some get to know their calling, some get to know their passion. Try it for 10 years, and after 10 years they realize कि ये तो मैं बोर हो गया अपने passion से. Then they have to find another passion. Passion after passion after passion. This means there's no permanent fit नहीं आ रहा. This was a perfect fit because Krishna himself made it. If you fell into any one of these, you could go there. हाँ अब से मैं ये काम करूँगा, and you could do it very happily. If you do that beautifully detached way में, आपका काम करते करते spiritual progress हो गया. Because ये एक system था जो कृष्ण ने खुद बनाया था, उस system में आप क्या हो गए? You submitted to that system. You came under the rules and regulations of that system created by whom? Krishna, or God, or Shastra. Because यहाँ top पे कौन बैठा है? शास्त्री बैठा है ना. ब्राह्मण को सारी चीजें कहाँ से पता लग रही है? शास्त्र से. And Shastra is the word of God. The whole place. Did anybody leave their job? In fact, they are doing their job very nicely, sincerely, hard way. But because they did their job properly, in their own position में रह के, they got, all of them get elevated spiritually. This is conditional duty at their levels, but because they're doing their conditional duty properly, all of them are led by whom? Led by Shastra. This is happening automatically. In fact, this is happening through the guidance of constitutional duty, which is to listen to Shastra and actually nourish your soul. both duties are happening automatically just by doing your work. ये सिस्टम आपको समझ में आ गया? अच्छा लग रहा है ये सिस्टम? आप बड़े सैड लग रहे हो मुझे ये सिस्टम के बारे में सुन के. क्या हो गया? What happened?
सिस्टम के बाहर आ गए ना.
बाहर आ गए. ये क्या हो गया? बाहर क्यों आ गए? बट आ गए बाहर. कैसे आ गए बाहर? बिकॉज एक्सपेक्टेशन आ गई. ब्राह्मण बोला कि अरे मेरे पास तो बहुत ज्यादा क्या है, पावर है, क्योंकि वो क्या कर सकता है, पूरे सिस्टम के ऊपर उसका क्या है, कंट्रोल है, इन्फ्लुएंस. जो एक चीज बोल दी उसने कि नहीं नहीं शास्त्र में लिखा है कि ब्राह्मणों को बड़े बड़े महलों में रहना चाहिए.
डराते हैं लोग.
हाँ डराते हैं ना, तो बोल दिया ब्राह्मण ने. तो क्षत्रिय ने बोला नहीं, ब्राह्मण की सुननी चाहिए, महल दे दो, महल दे दो, इनको सारी क्या दे दो, महल दे दो. बट इसको समझ में आया, क्योंकि फिर शास्त्र के हिसाब से तो हो नहीं रहा, तो हैप्पीनेस मिल नहीं रही, प्रोग्रेस, असली में प्रोग्रेस क्या नहीं हो रही. तो दे ऑल स्टार्ट फीलिंग डिससैटिस्फाइड. देन ये छानबीन करके फाइंड आउट करता है कि ये तो एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है, ये एक्सप्लॉइट कर रहा है, तो मैं भी क्यों ना एक्सप्लॉइट करूं, मुझे इससे तो सीखना है. ब्राह्मण से मुझे क्या करना है, सीखना है. वो क्या कर रहा है,
एक्सप्लॉइट.
मैं क्या करूंगा,
एक्सप्लॉइट.
उसने नीचे एक्सप्लॉइट करना रेशियो को टैक्स कर दिया उसने. तुम्हारे 80% टैक्स तुम मुझे देना है. You have to work really hard. You know, there's a whole thing going on that to make the economy of India, this generation doesn't have to be lazy. They have to work 18 hours a day and 7 days a week. They're saying this. Wait a second. Who do I have to work for? 18 hours a day, 7 days a week. This generation have to do for what? For whom? They're saying India's economy, but it's not going to go to India's economy. It's going to go to companies. By India's economy, what do they mean?
Company.
Companies will make the money. Yeah, India will get some more buildings, maybe some more roads and here and there. But who will get rich? Companies. The few individuals on the top who are not maybe working 7 days a week and 18 hours a day. You understand what I'm saying? So that these guys saw that. मैं क्यों 18 hours 7 days a week काम करूं? They're like, I will exploit whom?
Shudra.
बेचारा शूद्र कहता है, मैं किसको exploit करूं? That is the reason why these guys feel victimized. This is the whole system of victimization came. Dalits, Harijan, untouchability. Where did all of these things come from? By this system of exploitation. Hence, caste system got a bad name. People came and they thought ये caste system तो क्या है, पूरी तरह discriminatory है, खराब है. खराब किया है हमने इस ढांचे को. Everybody started, I want to be high caste. Everybody started wanting to become high caste. Nobody wants to become low caste. It's just like saying cricket team में सबको batsman बनना है. Bowler किसी को बनना ही नहीं है. Team चलेगी. In the last match, I heard bowlers are the one who saved our skin.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Is that true?
Yes.
If that's true, then we need bowlers and we need like for example, I play football. We need people who are playing as forwards. We need people midfielders and defenders and a goalkeeper. Nobody can say, "नहीं मुझे goalkeeper बनना ही नहीं है." Who will do keeping? How will you win the game? For that to happen, you have to have the whole system. Everybody is valuable. In actual system, everybody is. It's not like ये निकृष्ट है, ये actually high caste है. Oh ब्राह्मण है, oh शूद्र है. Not like that. It's not like that. That's not the whole system. So this is the whole system, जिसमें हमें material and spiritual दोनों धर्म की बात पता लगती थी. But ये system अब क्या हो गया? खत्म हो गया. Can we bring the system back? Can we try?
No.
Can we bring the system back? How will you do it?
पॉसिबल लग रहा है.
Panancha. How will you do it?
By propagating Shastra.
Propagating shastras. You think people will listen to you, bro? We have tried. They won't listen. So on a societal level, ये पूरा system कौन से level पे चलता है? Societal level पे चलता है. इसका मतलब है if everybody adheres, then ये पूरा system चलेगा. एक भी person adhere नहीं करेगा, पूरा system क्या हो जाएगा? कोलैप्स हो जाएगा, ठीक है। तो ये सिस्टम अभी हम लागू नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज वी कांट इम्पोज थिंग्स ऑन others. We can't tell others कि इसको फॉलो करो, इसको फॉलो, we can't tell others. So what choice we have? V के बाद A भी है. A means ashrama. Ashramas are personal. Can we do some change on the personal level?
Yes.
Ah, here we have more control. Yes or no?
Yes.
That is where चार जो आश्रम है उनको बोलते हैं ब्रह्मचारी, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ, संन्यास. This is age wise. ये पहले 25 years. Can I rub the board off? Think a little. I'm going to take anyway last 5 minutes. तो वर्ण आश्रम में वर्ण हमने पढ़ लिए, आश्रम की बात कर रहे हैं. 4 आश्रम हैं. 4 वर्ण कौन से आपको याद है?
हाँ, आपने ब्राह्मण बताया,
ब्राह्मण,
क्षत्रिय,
क्षत्रिय, वैश्य, शूद्र. आश्रम कौन से? ब्रह्मचारी, गृहस्थ, वानप्रस्थ, संन्यास. ठीक है. ये पहले 25 years, ये नेक्स्ट 25 years, ये नेक्स्ट 25 years एंड ये लास्ट 25 years. ठीक है. सब सोच रहे हैं मैं कौन से स्लैब में, which slab am I? Don't worry about it, you missed the boat. Because we've missed this boat. This boat we've missed. So don't calculate right now. You haven't missed it, sorry. Some people have not missed it. You haven't missed it. Some people have not missed it. You know what happens in Brahmachari ashram? This means student life. 0 to 25 is? अरे किया है तो मैंने. I did this. 25 years I did. But what did we do in student life? What did we do?
Material education.
Material education? Not even that, barely that. Barely material education. उसके साथ साथ हमने बहुत सर्कस किया उधर इधर. Yes or no? No. Did we do or not? I did. Big circus. In Brahmachari ashram, how you are supposed to get educated is that you have to control your senses, be in a gurukul, under the guidance of a guru, and understand material education plus spiritual education. You have to get to know about your constitutional duty as well as your conditional duty. That's what used to happen in the first 25 years. You get to know about what is life, what is life's purpose, and how to achieve that purpose using your own body and mind. ये सब हमने कहाँ पढ़ना चाहिए था?
In school.
In school, first 25 years. Now, अब imagine करो, ये सीख के, train होके, not just सीख के, हमने पढ़ाई नहीं करी, इस ट्रेनिंग भी करी. यहाँ पे सेंस कंट्रोल, माइंड कंट्रोल सबकी बात हो रही है. यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग दी गई किसको कैसे करना है. ये सब करने के बाद लाइफ का पर्पस समझाया गया कि भैया देखो अभी तुम 25 साल क्या कर रहे हो, ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हो. When you get out, you will actually live life. Here is what you have to do because this is the purpose of. Tell me here, who knows the purpose of life? You've lived how many years? Some 20, 30 years you've lived already? 40, whatever years. Yeah? So, what is the purpose of life? What is the purpose of life? You live life, you have some more left. Who knows how many? Anybody knows how many left? हमने लिख तो दिया यहाँ पे 100, but this is theoretical. I am not. Don't come back to me saying प्रभु जी आपने तो 100 बोला था, हमारा इधर 25-30 में 40 में. You can't come back and haunt me like this. Hopefully, all of us will go on to live full lives. Hopefully, but I can't guarantee.
My grandfather is 102.
102, he's living extra. Extra more he's taking. Which is a good thing, right? Because back the healthy people actually lived more. This is reduced in Kali Yuga. The bodily capacity is reduced. What was I saying? Yes, you had something to say, bro? Okay. Life का purpose. What is life का purpose? We need to know this. अरे जी रहे हो आप, पता तो होना चाहिए क्यों जी रहे हो. Why are you living? What is life's purpose?
To attain Krishna consciousness.
Sorry?
To attain Krishna consciousness.
To attain Krishna consciousness, 100 marks.
Like now,
But
now we've learned this.
step marks चाहिए मुझे. How will you arrive there? आप last वाला hence proved नहीं लिख सकते सर.
ABCD.
Step marks चाहिए. Marks you saying something.
And now we've learned this. Like
Yeah.
not when we were in school. We were not taught to
Yeah.
attain like Krishna
Yeah.
consciousness.
Ultimately speaking, we just have to understand this, that who am I? I am a soul. That's when I'll be able to do good to myself. No, how will I? If I don't know myself, how will I do good to myself? Is that okay to understand? Who am I? Where have I come from? Which is about God. And what is my relationship with God? This is something that I have to realize. This is our purpose of human life. Because animals, trees, insects, they cannot. But as a human, I can do it. Is it okay? One line answer. Purpose of life is to find out my identity, identity of my source, and to establish a connection between me and my source. Is it okay? इसको योग कहते हैं. योग मतलब connect, to connect. Religion. The word religion comes from religio. Religio comes from the Latin word religio. It means in Latin it means to connect. Yoga and religion means the same thing. To connect. Connect whom or what? क्या connect करना है? ये है. To connect the soul to its source. But to understand that, first you have to understand I am a soul. मैं समझूंगा soul हूँ, then source के बारे में समझ आएगा, then भी connection कैसे करना है, right? This is called, the whole system is called SAP. Any employees? Sambandha. S for? Sambandha. Every day now that you go to work, when you see that blue board which has SAP, you remember this. S stands for? Sambandha. Sambandh matlab? Relationship. Who am I? I, God, connection. ये है क्या? संबंध ज्ञान. What is my relationship? Who am I to you? A stands for Abhideya. A stands for? Means process or practice. कि आज मुझे समझ में आ गया मैं कौन हूँ, भगवान कौन है. थियोरी समझ में मुझे आ गई है. अब मुझे क्या करना है? प्रैक्टिकल. This is theory. This is practical. Once you do the practical, the thing that you get out of it, that is called P for prayojana. Prayojan, objective, goal. It is the objective or the goal of life. By understanding the theory, doing the practical, you will achieve the goal of life. This is called Sambandha, Abhideya, Prayojana. Will you remember this? Can you say it out? S for? A for? P for? Prayojana. This is the whole system, Vedic system. Any Vedic scripture that you follow will fall under this. Any of them. Is it okay? Yeah, I was talking about this, that we are now, some of us are in Grihastha Ashram, some of us will be entering Grihastha Ashram. You know what Grihastha Ashram is? Married life, householder life. Most of us are here, will, yeah, you want to say something? It's not compulsory to, I know, understand. But in the Vedic system, you either go into Grihastha life or you don't. You have a choice. But what is the choice? You have to be under one of these ashrams. That's why they call it ashrama. Ashrama means ashray or shelter. You're sheltered in one of these spaces so that you're not lost. If you're out of these, outside of any of these systems, that means we are lost. Currently, we are not in any of these systems. Hence, we are lost. Yes, Prabhu, you had a question. Ashram ka matlab ashray means shelter. These are there, this system is there to give us shelter so that we don't get lost. If someone doesn't want to get married after this, they have a choice after this. They think, okay, Do I want to get into grahastha life or not? If I don't want to get into it, that's okay. I can remain a brahmachari the whole life. Until I have to go to vanaprastha and then sannyas. I can do that. That's my option. But most of us will go into, because I'll tell you why. Brahmachari doesn't just mean marriage. It's not a party that you, it doesn't depend on the fact that कि आपने party throw करी कि नहीं करी. Because otherwise, without spirituality, when that wedding whole thing that we do is just a party. Yes or no? If you're in a relationship, that means you have entered this realm. Either in a wedding or outside a wedding. But you're in a relationship, yes or no? So this teaches us why to be in a relationship, how to be in a relationship, what to do in that relationship. Right now we're so confused. Are we not confused?
Yes.
Tell me now, the whole institution of marriage, this is the last point for the day. The whole institution of marriage, is it needed?
Yes.
Yes? Mataji, married person is saying yes. मैंने किया, सबको कराऊंगी. Why is it needed? I am also married. My wife's here somewhere inside, I think. Why is marriage needed? Have you thought about it?
Companionship.
Why is marriage needed? Companionship. Why is marriage needed? Companionship can be achieved outside marriage also.
Keep changing companions then.
Keep changing companion. What's the problem? Prabhuji is getting into danger zone. ये क्या होता है? What? Companionship. Someone said companionship. ठीक है, दिया. Companionship. But why do you? Oh, okay, not why do you need companionship? You need companionship. Why do you need marriage for companionship? To be loyalty, to have to prove your loyalty. Listen, if two people are there, I can trust the other person. If I don't trust the other person, why am I in a relationship? I'm not in a relation. I can't be in a relationship which I can't trust the other person. Yes or no? Yeah. You trying to do something, Chaitanya?
No, I
Yeah.
was just fixing the camera.
Okay.
Okay, now done.
Yeah. So if I don't trust the other person, it's not a good relationship anyway. If I trust the other person, that means we can trust each other's word of loyalty. Why do I need to prove? Who do I need to prove my loyalty to? Who? Who do I need to prove loyalty to? You don't have to. You don't have to. Why do I need to prove something to someone else? Why do you need marriage? It's a $1 billion industry. Why do you need it? You spend, you know how much money people take loans just to get that 3-day wedding done.
Our security, like.
Security? Who's saying? Madhaji? Security. Madhaji saying भाग ना जाए दूसरा.
No.
But that's sad. But that's very sad because that means कि अब तो हो गई शादी, अब मजबूरन हमें साथ रहना पड़ेगा. Is that a good relationship?
No.
Not a good relationship anyway. Then why? Mataji had a point.
So that probably we do spirituality together.
Okay.
On the same page.
Where did this come from? Shadi and spirituality, where did that come from? What's happening? Last बार एक बार try करते हैं before we just end it. बता के why do we need a marriage? What happens in a marriage? Can you think about this? कि शादी में होता क्या?
Rituals and the
शादी के दिन और शादी के बाद दोनों बताना.
शादी के दिन
डांस होता है, ढोलक होती है, माता जी
the
और फेरा जाबर,
खाना
सब confused हो जाते हैं.
vows होती हैं. And I'm talking all religion, not just Vedic religion, all religions. Everybody takes vows, no?
yeah, wow.
They take vows. They have some commitments that they give each other. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Why are all these things are done? Right now, you all are correct. It has just become a social construct. It has been reduced to a social construct. It has just become about proving to the other people that I may or may not know, may or may not like. I will throw a party, hundreds of people will come. Half of them I don't know, half of them I don't like.
But like now the systems have changed.
Yeah.
Earlier, the father used to give the daughter, like the
Away,
husband,
yeah.
husband will take.
Yes.
Now the women is equally working. So that is also changed. Now the
Yeah.
woman becomes a man, like they're equal. So
Yeah.
that is why it's changing.
Yeah, okay. But it's not about gender also. Not even about gender. I'll tell you why. Because it's a social construct now. Because it's about कि कहाँ शादी करी, कैसे करी, क्या पहना, ये सब एक तो उस दिन की बात होगी. उसके बाद it's just about कि नहीं शादी तो करनी है, लोग क्या कहेंगे.
So
You understand what I'm saying? शादी तो करनी है, नहीं तो लोग क्या कहेंगे. That is the reason why the West is discarding away with this whole system, or they're just adopting it just like a frivolous recreational thing. It doesn't make any sense. No, 1 shadi, 2 shadi, 3 shadi, 4.
more here now than this.
More here, there. It's because it's a thought. It's not about a geography. It's a thought process.
Like the culture, I'm saying.
The culture, yeah. It has just become a formality over here. Bas. You understand what I'm saying? This is what I'm talking about. That without this part, the spiritual part, शादी does not make any sense. Fine, it is कुछ तो है, शेल है कि एटलीस्ट तुमने कमिटमेंट जो ली है उससे अगर आप स्टिक कर रहे हो, पूरी जिंदगी स्टिक करा आपने for whatever good reasons without having to if there are no unreasonable things happening in the relationship, then that shows कि ठीक है भैया कुछ तो इसका कमिटमेंट था, some level of ethical moral thing is there, but it is still not spiritual in nature. Unless this part comes in, shadis don't make sense. That is the reason why everybody live in है, love marriage करनी है कि arrange करनी है, live in करना है कि शादी करनी है. These debates keep going on and round and round and round and round. They don't make any sense because both sides don't make sense. अगर आपको साथ ही रहना है, then शादी doesn't make any sense. It's just tradition है, ये है, वो है, all of that. But शादी is very important. Why? Because this gets affected. This when it comes into the picture, that is when everything makes sense. Can I tell you why and how?
Yes.
Yeah? When a shadi happens, that is basically ब्रह्मचर्य से आगे निकले, बाहर आए, तो हमें डिसाइड करना है that I need a companion or I don't need a companion. Because आपको लाइफ का पर्पस क्या हो गया पता चल चुका है. आपको ये वाला पार्ट पता, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्यूटी पता लग चुकी है अपनी. इज दिस ओके टू अंडरस्टैंड? आप अपने बॉडीली लेवल को माप रहे हो. दैट नाउ माय बॉडीली, एवरीबॉडीज बॉडीली लेवल्स आर डिफरेंट, एवरीबॉडीज नीड्स आर different. Someone needs a companion and someone doesn't need a companion. So people here decide. Most of us in this material world, that's why you see lesser brahmacharis and more grihasthas. Most of us need companionship. So what do we say? What do shastras have for this need? We go and look for a license. You understand what I'm saying? Companionship चाहिए तो उसके लिए शास्त्र क्या बताता है? शास्त्र ये बताता है कि you take one partner but have it in wedlock where both of you are coming together with this understanding. क्योंकि वो पर्सन भी पर्पस लेके आ रहा है, मैं पर्सन भी पर्पस लेके आ रहा हूँ. हमें सोल वाला कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल वाला पर्पस पता है, which is who am I, process and objective. This वाला part both of us are totally understanding. Now I just need a partner who I can do this with. Because I need companionship, I cannot artificially do away with that need of mine. वो bodily need है, soul की need नहीं है. वो किसकी need है? Bodily need है. तो उसको acknowledge किया, accept किया, deny नहीं किया. We are not a pretender. जैसे कृष्ण कह रहे हैं, इसलिए त्यागना नहीं है. Bodily need है तो accept करो ना, है. Accept करो and then उसके हिसाब से अपनी क्या करो? ड्यूटी करो. ड्यूटी है that you get together in a wedlock and both of you have this understanding that why are we coming together? Why are we coming together? Because our purpose is that I want to achieve my objective or goal. I want to be Krishna conscious. I want to understand Krishna and I want to connect back with God. That understanding I'm getting from here already. Both of us are coming together with that understanding. We are a team now. I will help you do that and you will help me do that. Are you understanding this? आपको मेरी बात समझ में आ रही है क्या? हरे कृष्णा। दोनों का पर्पस, हायर पर्पस फिक्स हो गया। अब लोअर वाली हमें मैनेज करनी है कि तुम्हें गोलगप्पे पसंद है कि तुम्हें यू नो लाइक पिज्जा पसंद है, चलो उसमें एडजस्ट करते हैं। बिकॉज हायर पर्पस फिक्स्ड है तो लोअर में ना कॉम्प्रोमाइज करना इजी, सेटिंग कर लेना इजी हो जाता है। इज दैट ओके टू अंडरस्टैंड? हायर वाला चल रहा है, we both are compatible together for this higher goal, we are good partners for each other. now उसमें लोअर वाले में ना हमेशा चेंजेस तो होंगे ही होंगे, we are different people, even two twins have different likes and dislikes, yes or no?
Yes.
Have different temperaments. Now two different people all together, will they not have different temperaments? So when they come together they will have to do some here and there setting करनी पड़ेगी, but because एक higher goal कॉमन है, ये छोटे मोटे में ना कर हो जाती है चीजें। We go through together. That is the reason why if you have a higher goal of marriage set, that marriage will go on longer. You will be happier because you're thinking मेरा higher goal तो ठीक है ये पागल बंदा है, ये अपनी चीजें करता है, this person तौलिया नीचे फेंकता है, ये अपनी जो भी है, whatever, I don't know, the मियाँ बीवी झगड़े that happen everywhere, right? Happen of these smaller things, yes or no? And then they lead to bigger things, yes or no? That happens because we don't have a higher purpose in life. Without this higher purpose in life, शादी doesn't make sense, it falls apart. Because ये higher purpose नहीं है, मेरा और तुम्हारा अभी मैच कर रहा है, 10 साल बाद शायद मैच, because I am a different person, you are a different person, people change, no? If it is not matching, the whole basis of my शादी was कि मैं और तुम्हारा likes और dislikes क्या कर रहे हैं? मैच कर रहे हैं। बेसिस ही वो था, बेसिस ही चेंज हो गया। अब बेसिस ही चेंज हो गया तो साथ रहने का क्या फायदा? That is the reason why people keep changing relationships. It's a normal thing, no? People make a whole taboo out of it, but if you are not giving them a higher purpose, this is but natural. Isn't this natural? This is natural. You need to have a higher purpose as society, as people. Only then we'll have happy societies happening. This is how you get together as companions. Because you are helping each other as partners for a higher purpose. Which is not just about this life. It is about this life and beyond. You are a team. Is this okay to understand? ये beautiful है ना? और आप ये 25 साल गृहस्थ जीवन में एक दूसरे की हेल्प करते हो, इसी हेल्प के दौरान बिकॉज आपने अपनी ड्यूटी करी है, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा था? बिकॉज एवरीबॉडी डिड देयर ड्यूटीज, व्हाट हैपेंड, व्हाट वाज द आउटकम? नो व्हाट वाज द आउटकम? हियर इज संन्यास, बट हाँ, योर प्योरिफिकेशन हैपेंड, यस और नो? Because you did your duty detached way में, Brahmanas did their duty, Kshatriyas did theirs, Vaishyas did theirs, Shudras did theirs, the whole society did their duty. अपने आप क्या हुआ? काम करते करते purification हुई कि नहीं हुई है? Yes or no? But this system is now what? This system can be brought back on a personal level. If you know your purpose in life, you take a partner together with that higher purpose, both of you, and then try and do that for 25 years. Take care of your kids, take care of household, everything, along with your constitutional duties, your spirituality, along with that. What do you have to do it? Along with that. Both of you together have to do it? Along with that. When you do it, help each other do that. That's when all your desires, जिसकी वजह से आप companionship चाहते थे, they become very beautiful, and then you go to retired life. वानप्रस्थ means retired life. कि material duties अपने बच्चे सब कुछ सेटल कर दिए, काम वाम सेटल कर दिया. Now both of you are a team. 25 साल आपने टीम पार्टनरशिप करी है. Will you not have love for them? For a higher purpose, you have a higher love. You don't have hate. Ki this was I married a totally different person. Totally different person. People say that or not? People say we want to add spice in our lives, and they take trips and engagements and activities. Why? Why do they feel like their excitement in life has gone for a toss? Why do they feel like that? Because each other you're bored of. You don't have a higher purpose. If you have a higher purpose, then you go into this, enter into this with a lot of love and respect for each other. That 25 years, this person has really helped me out. And now, both of us are in a better place spiritually. I'm more content, I'm more happy. And then you dedicate more and more of your time in spirituality. And sannyas is the last part where both of you, आप अलग आए थे, अलग जाओगे. वैसे भी death will part you. Yes or no? You're not going to be together. You understand that very beautifully. You part ways in a very mutually nice, that you help me, thank you, you help me, thank you. Now both of us have achieved our purpose in life. This is the whole system. This system maybe we can't do, but this system we still can. But don't mess it up here. Don't mess it up here. This part, if you have missed, don't worry. Right now, Prabhupada is coming to tell us, give us a crash course on this. That is the reason why हम ये क्लास हर वीक करते हैं. जो भी हमने यहाँ पे खोया, उस एजुकेशन को अब हम पाए और आगे की लाइफ उस एजुकेशन के हिसाब से प्रैक्टिस कर पाए together. You know, I got married. My friend got married, and another friend. 3 of us got married like in consecutive months. December, Jan and Feb, or December, Feb and March actually. Yeah, December में अनुनय प्रभु, Feb में I got married, and then March में my friend Leela Kitty. All 3 of us are friends before marriage, and all 3 of us की mothers के names are Geeta. हम तीनों गीता के बच्चे हैं. तो we were really close together. Now all 3 of us are now have become 6. The wives have become friends with each other, and all of us go on trips, all of us go out to eat, we chill at each other's place. It's basically like हम तो partners हैं ही, but other people with the same mindset and thinking, they also come together to really become a team together and become a very beautiful society. Right? I've seen this personally in my life. It becomes really, I don't need anybody else. I don't need anybody else. My whole life is this. My friends are all Krishna conscious. My only thing that I do, where people are maybe not devotees, is work, and I enjoy it because I go and do my work because I know कि work से पहले और work से बाद I have some higher thing to do, and this work is sustaining that life. This work is also related to that only, because this helps me sustain that life. So life becomes very simple and beautiful just by adopting this. Otherwise, circus hai. Otherwise, we don't know full life that what is the purpose of life. But we have to really practice. Mataji here, I was really impressed. She took up beads last week, and she's been coming every week in the morning. In the morning 5 to 7, we try and chant together. So she's been coming every week, every day in fact. She's coming. And we feel sleepy. Some days we're tired, some days we're not. Some days the chanting is very nice. Some days the chanting feels like a drag. But we make it a point कि हमें कैसी, how do we have to do it? Beautifully. उससे कुछ मिल रहा है नहीं मिल रहा नहीं. Do it beautifully क्योंकि उससे मेरा purification होगा. That faith is something that I really have to have. Practical things, we are learning theory here. We are learning this here. This is something we have to do at home, and we have a support system for that. We have a support system for that. Everything, if you want to do chanting, if you want to do kirtan, book distribution, festivals आ रही हैं, JOSD seminar आ रहा है. All of these, I will put it on the group. अब तक मैं group पे नहीं डालता था because मुझे लगता था कि आपके पास context नहीं होगा. But I put it on the group, and I really urge you, please come each week, every week, so that we can keep this continued and together really apply this in our lives. Nothing will change. आप job जा रहे हो, मैं भी जाता हूँ. मैंने शादी करी, शायद आप भी करोगे. You understand what I'm saying? We'll go through life the same way as we did. Nothing will change. But these practices need to get added. Otherwise, this material plus spiritual में हम spiritual को हटा रहे हैं, and material plus spiritual is equal to happiness. Otherwise इसको हटा देंगे ना, ये LHS equal to RHS कभी होगा ही नहीं. This will always hence proved नहीं होगा. We'll materially keep, and this is proof, right? There are materially superior countries, superior people. There are inferior countries, inferior people. But everybody has problems. Nobody is happy. Who is happy? Someone who is holistically practicing things in life. This needs to be added. Nothing needs to be subtracted. Things need to be added. Can we do that? We are here to help. We are here to help each other out. Just like a wife and husband are support system, a partner, all of us are a team as well. We're trying to make a team now. If you have musical abilities, you can help us out in kirtans. Anything, any ability you have. आप शूद्र हो, वैश्य हो, क्षत्रिय हो, ब्राह्मण हो, कुछ भी हो, आप हमें help कर सकते हैं. Is that okay? I'm going to stop here and take a couple of questions if there are any. Otherwise, we can end. नहीं, वो अगले चैप्टर में होगा. इसमें भी आप डिटैचमेंट की बात करेंगे, बट उसके ऊपर फोकस अगले चैप्टर में भगवान करेंगे, ज्ञान योग. पूरा भगवद गीता एक्चुअली 3 Ds पे चलता है. ड्यूटी से शुरू किया, फिर डिटैचमेंट पे आएंगे, फिर इज गोना टॉक अबाउट डिवोशन, भक्ति. बिकॉज आप ड्यूटी डिटैच वे में कभी कर ही नहीं पाओगे जब तक आपको पॉजिटिव कहीं से हैप्पीनेस नहीं मिल रहा हो. ड्राई हो जाओगे ना, मैं ड्यूटी करे जा रहा हूँ, एक्सपेक्टेशन भी नहीं रखूंगा. अरे तो मैं करूँ तो क्या करूँ, मैं ड्यूटी भी करूँ, एक्सपेक्टेशन भी ना रखूँ, एंड आई एम नॉट गेटिंग एनीथिंग ऑल्सो. आई बिकम अ ड्राई, नो, बिटर बन जाऊंगा, जजमेंटल बन जाऊंगा. आई बिकम जजमेंटल. आई स्टार्ट टेलिंग अदर पीपल, you know, you should do spirituality, you know, you should do spirituality. Have you seen people like that? We become like that. We start judging, ये लोग तो इनको holistic material लोग हैं, तो हम क्या लोग हैं, हम spiritual लोग. But in fact अंदर से I am also not happy, they are also not happy. What is the difference between me and them? I am being judgmental of them. Unless we have devotion in our lives, that nourishment will not happen. I am not feeling happy in my life. If I am anyway feeling happy, then I will not expect anything out of my duty. I will naturally do it in a detached way. Because whatever I need to get, I'm getting it from my devotion. मैं duty में ढूंढूंगा ही नहीं उसको. People say, people ask this, are you satisfied with your work? You know, job satisfaction. You know, are you happy? I'm trying to find happiness in my work. But happiness is not there in work. Happiness is there in life. Work will give you a way to sustain a life that might give you happiness. Work is important, but it is important in its place. उसके साथ साथ लाइफ भी है. लाइफ को जीना पड़ेगा, लाइफ में डिवोशन लाना पड़ेगा, तब आपका वर्क उस डिवोशन. लाइक वी गो फॉर ट्रिप्स में पैसे लगते हैं. वो पैसे कहाँ से आएंगे, काम से आएंगे. यहाँ पे माता जी, प्रभु जी have given us such a nice space here, right, to come here every week and really get these classes done. They hold 3 classes per week on Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. This happens every thrice a week. This place has been brought by someone's work. I'll point his work. His worked his life to give us this. We are reaping the benefits of his work. He did the work. Who's benefiting? We are benefiting. So he did the work, but he's employed the fruits of that work into social, into this for our benefit. That is doing duty with detachment, and he could do that because he has devotion. Have you seen Radheshyam inside deities? Yeah. Who will say that there's no devotion in this house? It's Radheshyam inside. Because there's devotion, he's being able to do his duty in a detached way. You understand what I'm saying? I'm going to stop here. Any other? You have a question, Prabhu? Any other questions? You're okay? Yeah? Okay, I'm going to stop here.